The GMW HQ46 has officially got its roll cage. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be mounting most of the drivetrain components into the HQ ute. I have an array of parts here, so I'm just going to quickly show you through them, and then we're going to cut the video on mostly time-lapse of me putting them in the ute. So this is the rear subframe I'm going to use. This is an E46 subframe that I've modified to suit the 9-inch. Now, I'm going to include a heap of footage at the start of this video showing how I made this. And then this is the 9-inch out of the Commodore. Now, this is a GeForce 1320 housing to suit a Commodore, but I'm going to be repurposing it for E46. So I have this Commodore axles and everything to suit Commodore, but GeForce have made me an outer stub to go into the trailing arm that will suit these axles. Now, this is my engine I blew up at Matsuri. It's got a big hole in the side, but it's still good for mock-up, so I will use this to make engine mounts. This is my dog box. This is an Andrews A431, but it's very similar to like your GeForce GSR. In fact, they have like the same gears and stuff, so they all fit each other. So this is essentially a GeForce GSR, but it is technically an Andrews A431, which means it has a slightly different shifter. But yes, that is the box that will be going in the ute. This is a 302-1 sump, and this is a QuickTime SFI bell housing. Now, all this I'm going to be putting in the ute in this video, and then we can measure for tail shaft.
It's been some time, I have to figure this out. I don't know if I could take away the doubt. If you fall down and find it hard to get back up, just stop and think about how we got this far. Now you can't run away if you're running a track. Things will always get worse before they get better. Feels like it's been forever. Someday, I swear that I'll face it. And throw it all away. Someday, I swear that I'll face it. And throw it all away. I said someday, I swear that I'll face it.